Hi, my name is Tom Hammerland, and I'm going to show you how to create dynamic lists in Google Sheets. Working in an international school, I have students who come and go all throughout the year, so I want to make a student list for myself that I can dynamically adjust. So what it should look like is if I get a new student during the year, I can add the student and their information, and then on the dashboard, or on the main part, it will show that. And if I delete the student will be deleted from the main dashboard. To begin, create a spreadsheet with the columns of the data that you want to see. For example, number of boys, number of girls, just the girls, and just the boys. In these columns, I just want to count the number of boys and count the number of girls. So I'm going to use the COUNTIF function. And I'm going to select the range in my data. And then you select what you want to count. So I'm going to click males, M for males, and then it gives me the number. And I'll do the same thing for females. So this function, first it calls the sheet, and then the range, and then what you wanted to count. Next, I'm going to use the range function and select the data on the other worksheet. So here I use the filter function to filter out the names between boys and girls. The orange part of this function is all my students' names, and then the comma, and then this is how I want to filter them. And I'm selecting the gender, and I'm saying that I only want to select those names that are marked as male. So that's how you create a dynamic student roster using Google Sheets. Thank you for watching.